Family, sometimes you got to pop out and show them. Today, I'm only going to show you this title because I want to show you what you can do when you are a rich welder. At first, you be in one stage of you just being a welder that's working the job. You just a worker. You just stuck in survival mode. And ironically, when I went to a counselor and started going to see counselor, they told me that. They told me that for several reasons, but ironically, that is also associated with just working a regular job. You feel stuck, and then you become into a rich welder where you start networking yourself, branding yourself, negotiating yourself, knowing how to talk, knowing how to make better deals, knowing how to use that welding money and turn it into some passive income. And what I did by working at Carbon Design, so for those who don't know, I worked at Carbon for approximately 7 months. And in the 7-month process of me working here, I came to a new city. I had to reinvent myself. I had to start doing something that I wasn't doing, from teaching to not only just teaching to now engineering, furniture and building products and making things in fabrication, which takes more of my time. And, you know, that process is physical demanding, you know, fabricating, making things. It is what it is. So while I was there, I knew that I had to make an investment and get me a car because I travel from Georgia to Arkansas all the time. So I'm like, you know what? I got to stop using my truck. I need a truck, but I need to get a car. So the truck I had, as you know, trucks just going to cost money. I had an older truck anyway. So, you know, it just costs money. But, you know, just keeping it up wasn't bad. But the gas is just ridiculous. So I'm like, man, I need to get me a car. So I said, I'm going to use the money from working with Carbon. I'm going to start investing this money and I'm going to buy me a cash car. Now, when I say a cash car, I'm thinking in my mind, I'm going to spend at least $10,000 on me a cash car, because I know with $10,000, I can kind of get a little wiggle room. I can kind of get what I want. You know, I know it's going to have some blemishes, might have this and this, but it's going to be something new. It's going to be new to me. It's going to be a better vehicle and something that can be more reliable when I hit the road. So what I invested in was a Honda Accord Sport. So I got a 2014. So at the top here, I'll show you this. At the top, you can see where it say what it is. And then you know how when you get the title and it say if the dealer still own it, it'll have still in dealer's name, so it'll come back to the dealer. When you look at this title on this side, you see where it's written at? That means it was sold to me. And up here, it tells you the price. So I spent $9,500 cash on the car, which I said I was going to spend about $10,000. And my taxes is about $500. So that's 10 grand. But I could only do that from saving my money. And I used the company Carbon. I was fabricating, building this furniture. So I'm like, I can't just work somewhere without making an investment. And if you're going to become rich, you're going to wealthy, you're going to have to learn how to save. So you're going to have to save your money as you make your money. You might have to sacrifice, you know, you might have to miss a couple meals. You know, it's okay because a lot of this stuff is killing us anyway. You know what I mean? So it is what it is. But you might have to make some sacrifices, fam. But you can still get there. And all I want to say is actions speak louder than words sometimes, fam. Sometimes you can hear people talk about what they're doing, how they're doing, and you're like, no, they ain't really doing it. But I got witnesses, fam. I even got witnesses on the job, on those who I helped get jobs while I was there. I wasn't just working there. I was creating opportunities for other people. I was feeding other families, not only mine. Not only paying my child support, I was helping other people pay theirs. You see what I'm saying? So this is actions speak louder than words, fam. And this is not a moment to boast. This is a moment to show you what you can do with a skilled trade once you put your mind to it. And all you have to do is think outside the box. And that's why I say it's important to subscribe to my channel, Your Welding Coach, on all platforms, because I'm going to give you some information that's going to change your situation. Not only am I going to teach you a skill set that you can use to you know, pay your bills and put yourself in a better position, but I'm also going to teach you how to use that welding money to invest in some passive income, because we have to get there, family, faster, and the only way we're going to get there is by saving and investing. So I'm going to teach you the full nine. As I learn, I'm going to share the jewels, fam, because you know one thing I know, I'm going to give it to you not necessarily for free, because you got to spend your time and watch it, but I'm going to give it to you live, and I'm going to give it to you raw, because I know you have to apply it for it to work. If you don't apply it, it don't work. But those who do apply it, hit me up so we can get a hog on.